Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. 360-degree cameras are transforming safety in American trucks. Technology is changing the way American trucks stay safe on the road. With the rising demand for better safety, the focus isn't just on advanced braking systems or driver training anymore. 360-degree cameras are becoming a valuable tool to help truck drivers see blind spots, avoid accidents, and navigate crowded areas more confidently. By offering a complete view of a truck's surroundings, these cameras are improving safety for both drivers and everyone sharing the road. The trucking industry is adopting this tech quickly, and it's easy to see why. The evolution of truck safety technology. Truck safety has come a long way over the decades. What started with basic tools like mirrors has now transformed into systems that drivers in the past could only dream of. The journey toward today's advanced 360-degree cameras is a story of continual improvement, driven by the need to make roads safer for everyone. Let's take a closer look at how safety features in trucks have changed. Traditional safety features in trucks. For many years, truck safety relied on straightforward but essential features. Mirrors were a truck driver's primary tool to monitor their surroundings. They provided a basic view of what was happening on the sides and rear of the vehicle. However, these mirrors had one significant limitation: blind spots. Large gaps outside the driver's line of sight presented constant risks, especially in busy traffic or during lane changes. To address these challenges, blind spot detectors started making their way into trucks. Early models included simple sensors that alerted drivers to vehicles nearby. These detectors were basic by today's standards, but they represented the first step in using technology to tackle an age-old issue. Alongside these sensors, the trucking industry adopted electronic systems, like anti-lock braking systems, ABS, to improve not just awareness but also control. Still, traditional methods could only go so far. Mirrors had limits, and relying solely on auditory or visual signals still left room for error. Drivers needed something more advanced. This paved the way for innovations that transformed how truckers saw and responded to the road. Introduction of camera systems in trucks. The introduction of camera systems changed everything. The first step in this evolution was the rearview camera, which started to become more common in commercial trucks. These cameras gave drivers a real-time view of what was directly behind them, something mirrors couldn't always do effectively. Rearview cameras made backing up safer and significantly reduced incidents in tight spaces like loading docks. But the true game-changer came with the development of multi-view camera systems. Over time, engineers expanded these systems to offer more than just a rearview. Trucks began to feature cameras on the sides, front, and even on the roof. 360-degree camera technology emerged as the ultimate solution, stitching together all these camera feeds into a seamless bird's-eye view of the truck's surroundings. Why is this so important? Picture yourself in a massive 18-wheeler trying to manage a narrow street or avoid pedestrians in a busy parking lot. A 360-degree camera allows drivers to see obstacles all around them in real time, eliminating blind spots altogether. It's like giving truckers a sixth sense, making their job not only easier but far safer. These cameras often integrate with other systems, such as lane departure warnings and collision avoidance features. Now, instead of only reacting to potential problems, drivers can anticipate them with much greater confidence. This shift to proactive safety marks a turning point for the entire industry. From mirrors to multi-view technology, every step forward has been about one thing: safety. With 360-degree cameras, trucks are now equipped to handle today's challenges while paving the way for even smarter solutions in the future. How 360-degree cameras work in trucks. 360-degree cameras are transforming road safety by providing truck drivers with a full, real-time view of their surroundings. But how exactly do these systems work, and what makes them so effective? Let's break down the process into three key components: camera placement, image processing, and integration with other safety technologies. The camera setup and placement around trucks. The first step in creating a 360-degree view is strategic camera placement. Typically, trucks are equipped with 4 to 6 wide-angle cameras, positioned to cover every possible blind spot. Front-facing camera. Mounted on the grille or windshield area, it captures everything directly in front of the truck. Rear camera. Installed near the top of the trailer or on the back of the cab, depending on the truck configuration. This ensures a clear view behind the vehicle. Side cameras. These are placed just below the rear-view mirrors or along the sides of the truck, often near the wheels, to monitor traffic on either side. Optional roof camera. For added coverage, a camera may be installed at the top center of the truck for better overhead visibility. This setup allows the system to monitor all angles around the vehicle. Each camera has a slightly overlapping field of view, ensuring there are no gaps in coverage. The placement is specifically designed to minimize blind spots that even the largest mirrors can't address. Together, the cameras act as the eyes of the system, ensuring nothing escapes notice. Image stitching technology. The magic of a 360-degree camera system lies in what happens next. Each of the cameras captures real-time footage from its designated angle. From there, the system uses image stitching technology to combine these separate feeds into a unified, bird's-eye perspective. Here's how it works. Video feed collection. The cameras continuously record their surroundings, sending video data back to the central processing unit of the system. Perspective adjustment. The software adjusts for the distortion caused by wide-angle lenses, creating a flat and consistent image from each camera's footage. Seamless stitching. Using algorithms, the system overlays and blends the edges of these images to create a single, seamless 360-degree view. It eliminates obvious overlaps or mismatched lines so the video looks natural. Real-time rendering. All of this processing happens in milliseconds, so drivers get an uninterrupted live feed. The result? A bird's-eye view displayed on the truck's dashboard screen that shows the entire area surrounding the vehicle as if viewed from above. This stitched image isn't just helpful for backing up or parking. It also makes lane changes, merging, and navigating tight spaces far safer. Drivers can instantly spot obstacles, pedestrians, and vehicles in zones they previously couldn't see. No need to rely on guesswork. Integration with truck systems. A standalone 360-degree camera is already a huge upgrade, but when integrated with other truck safety systems, it becomes even more powerful. Modern trucks sync these cameras with technologies like collision detection systems. When the camera detects an obstacle, it can work with sensors to automatically alert the driver or activate emergency braking. Lane keeping assistance. Side cameras feed data into lane departure systems, helping trucks stay centered by tracking painted lines or road edges. Trailer monitoring. For trucks with detachable trailers, the system adjusts camera perspectives to ensure the rear view remains accurate, even when configurations change. Blind spot alerts. Side cameras enhance traditional blind spot monitoring by providing a live video feed on the dashboard, so drivers can actually see what's in their blind spots rather than relying on warning lights alone. By tying the 360-degree camera system into these existing technologies, the truck essentially becomes smarter. It's like turning the camera into an extra sense, not just for the driver but for the entire vehicle. With these integrated capabilities, 360-degree cameras do more than just show what's around the truck, they actively help prevent accidents. Combined with other advanced safety tech, they turn every trip into a safer, more predictable experience. That's all for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into the specific benefits and real-world impact of these cameras on truck safety. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.